Alright, in your table of contents, write today's date, September 22nd, and then write an equation examples. This is on page 31 for me, so make sure you update your page, not mine, okay? So if you need to pause to copy this, you can. Alright, so I'm going to flip back to page 31, and then I have write an equation to represent the following situations. So if you want to go ahead and pause for a second and copy the first one. I'll give you a chance to copy the second one in just a second. Alright, we're going to write an equation to represent the situation in number 1. It says Marco placed cookies into 45 bags. There were 5 cookies in each bag. Find in the total number of cookies. Okay, so our Gator strategy tells us we're going to circle the given numbers. Well, we were given the number 45 along with the number 5, and then we're looking for n. So n is going to be a number as well, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that. A is for ask, so we're going to underline the question. So in this scenario, we don't have a question because we're writing an equation for this scenario. But I can underline what we're looking for. We're looking for the total number of cookies. Okay? Now, writing equations, it's really important to find those operation words, which is our think. Remember, we're going to box in our operation words. So, I'm going to look. Marco placed cookies into 45 bags. There's really not an operation word there telling me what we're doing. There were 5 cookies in each bag. Ooh, each. Each is a key word right there. We're going to find in the total number of cookies. Remember, total can go with any operation. It's not just for adding or subtracting. Okay, so the easiest equation we could write would be n. Remember, each either means to multiply or divide. So if I know the total is n and there's 5 cookies in 45 bags, we could just say, let's multiply 45 times 5 to get n. Okay, that is an equation and it does work. We have an equal sign, we have a variable, and we have an operation here. Okay, but I want you to think deeper than that. So I want you to try to come up with one where n is over here and the equal sign. We have a number attached to n. Okay, so let's think about that. Look at n. It's some number 45 times 5 is being multiplied to get n. So I could take this and divide it by 45 and I would get the 5 cookies in each bag. Or I could take it, divide it by 5, and get the 45 bags that are being put in. Okay, so make sure. Now notice, if I took n, divided it by 5, wouldn't I get 45? Yes, because that's the opposite operation of multiplication, okay? Same thing here and there, okay? All right, let's look at the second scenario. If you need to pause and copy, go ahead. Number 2 says the original price of the television Misty purchased was $350. She received a $55 discount. How much money did Misty pay for the television? Okay, I'm going to use my Gator strategies. Circle the given numbers. Okay, I wasn't given a variable in this scenario, so I'm going to put as x equals how much money she paid. Okay, now, I circled my given numbers. I need to underline the question as the next step. So, we actually have a question in this scenario. How much money did Misty pay for the television? So, we're looking for that number she paid, which would be our x. Okay, the next step is going to be to box in our operation words. The original price of the television Misty purchased was about $350. Okay, I don't see an operation there. I know she spent this much money. Or the original price was that much money. She received a $55 discount. Okay, discount tells me I'm going to be doing what operation? Think about it. I'm going to be subtracting. Okay, so I'm taking away $55 from the original price. Okay, and x is how much she ended up paying. So if I take my x and add the $55, that's going to give me my original total. Okay, or you can do 350 minus 55 equals x. All right? That was just some practice. So make sure you get this down in your notebook before class tomorrow. Remember, you can always go back and rewatch it.